Okay, we're back. We're getting ready to can. I've got my lids and rings in hot water. Usually just a couple of minutes or so, like maybe 5 at the most, for sterilizing them and heating the seals, which are the little orange things around the flat part of the lid. Ouch, that's hot. Okay, we're going to start canning these up into the jars, which I have right here. They've already been sterilized. I've got my little funnel, and I poured my pickle juice into an old tea thing, or, well, it's water. This just makes it easier for pouring into the jars once we get the pickles or the cucumbers inside the jars. Also, you'll need a grabber. You'll need one of these to get the air bubbles out of your cucumbers once you poured the brine into them. Also, this here is a little neat thing for a lot of people who don't know it. It's already got um, measuring things on the side of it, and this does loosen apart. Well, not loosen, comes apart. It screws off and on for easy cleaning. But a lot of people don't realize that there are little numbers on here to keep you from overfilling the jars. But that's what the end of this little tool does as well. It helps to keep you from overfilling your jars. Okay, let me get these pickles into the jars and I'll show you the next step.